Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Hakasan tarik mentau bena Jemang, ki kena ki bapule St. John School ke badan Halaban Shillong, ki larake ke sengilek buram, bakar pangi ki miki pa ne ke Parents Day, dan ke jingilek ka ki baharukam halo rensan. Hagani ke sengi ki kena jongan ne ke sekolah naduk ki badang pule haki kelas ren, haduk ki balahe ru kumjo, ki lai shim mentah haki jingilek ka baper-per, kontop naduk ki jingruai, ki jingshat, bat ki wede ki jingilek ka halo rensan, ban penberngiai ki miki pa ki balawan bansaki ya kene ki jingrake. Hakani ke sengi lai dan langro UMDC kene ke than uba Riki Shulai ubalalong kongsan hakani ke jingilang.
Teachers are our second parents. They are equal to our parents because I think they are concerned more than our parents for our studies, for our future, and for so many things. Today, in this Parents' Day, I would like to tell all the students and the parents too that in this modern update world, technology have come, and I guess after school, after teachers in school, then tuition, I guess at home also you can study. I think each and every one of you would have the phone in hand, in their palm, and they can just go and click the button and they can check anything related to studies or to any program or to any assignment they need to do for school. I think one of the apps have come, Byju's app. You can use that for maths. That will help a lot. So I think it's the time that you don't need to just depend on your teachers and your parents. It's the time that you students, you can you can help yourself using this technology we have today.
Kani kadeka Patisi TV.